You are wasting hours in Excel if you don't know these Excel tips and tricks. Hi, this is lesson 5 and today we will learn some important Excel tips and tricks that will boost your productivity and make you faster than your colleagues. Let's start. We have already built a data. Let's suppose we want to make a quick selection to select this first row or any row in your data. Click on the first cell and then press Shift plus Ctrl plus right side key and your entire row will be selected. You want to select the entire column, then press Shift plus Ctrl and down key. By doing this, we will be able to select the entire column range. If you want to select the entire data range, then press anywhere on your data and press Ctrl A, it will select the entire data for you. The next thing is add a new column or add a new row. To add a new row, let's suppose we want to add new row here. We want to select the row first, Shift plus space bar, and now our range is selected. We want to add a new row on top of it. What we will do? Press Ctrl plus. It will add a new row on the top of the selected row. Similarly, if you want to add a column, then we need to select a column. To select the column, press Ctrl plus space bar and then press Ctrl plus. It will select the entire column it will add the new column for us. Now, if you want to delete the column, similarly, any column you want to delete, you have to select. Press Ctrl plus space, the column is selected, then Ctrl plus minus. To delete the row, select it, Shift plus space bar, then Ctrl and minus. Our row is deleted. Let's learn some fast copy. Let's suppose you want to add a new column here and you want to add the similar heading, but you don't want to type. What you will do? Press Ctrl plus R. It will add same text to the right side without retyping it. And let's suppose I have this value in the cell. I want to copy similar value down the cell. I will do Ctrl D. It will add similar value from top of the cell to the down. The next is format. Let's suppose I have this Excel. These are in specific format. Let's suppose I type 9 here and I want to copy the formatting of this cell. What I will do, I will click on this cell, go to Format Painter option, this brush, double click on this brush and then click where you want to copy the similar formatting. Now we have got the formatting. The next thing, we also want to format this header. Click here, double click Format button and then click where you want to copy the format. And you can see that it has copied the color and cell merge but did not copy the text because it only copied the formatting, not the text. If you want the text, you need to type it. Similarly, let's suppose we have a new date column here. I'll type a date and you can see that my new date is not as in this similar date format. What I will do, I will click here, go to Format Painter, double click, take the format and click on this new date and it will copy similar format for me. I'm going to delete it. That was a helper column. Now let's learn how to freeze the pane. You can see that as I'm going down, my header is still intact. If I don't freeze the panes, what Excel will do for me, as I go down, it will hide the header for me. But I want to keep the header so that I can analyze my data perfectly. To do this, we will learn how to freeze the panes. Click anywhere on the cell. What Excel will do, any data or any cells on top of it and right side of it, it will freeze. It will not disappear. See how. Come to view, freeze panes. And now as I am going down, my header is intact. And even if I am going to the right side, the remaining data is intact. So that is freeze panes. Now let's do some quick sort and filter. Click on the top row, then press Shift Ctrl plus L. We have got filter buttons, and let's suppose we only want to filter data by a specific country. I will go here, select the country, and our data is filtered based on country. You can also filter your data based on a specific color, filter by color, and now our data is filtered by only a specific color. The next and last thing is auto sum. Let's suppose I want to get the sum of salaries here. We don't need to remember the complex formulas. What I will do, I will select the range, Shift Ctrl down key, then press Alt plus equal. What it will do, it will add sum for us. That is called auto sum. So that's all for today. We have learned some important Excel tips and tricks that will save hours of time doing day-to-day work. In next lesson, we will learn how to make summaries that will be presented or mostly required by the top management. So see you in the next one.